Dear God, afraid and confused, I come to you, Lord. After many difficult days and nights, I simply don't know where to turn or what to do. Help me and all those who are in need of courage to seek help for our problems. Grant me the grace to know my limits as I begin to solve the problems which now weigh so heavily upon me. Be with me as I reach out for the help, which will restore balance and serenity to my life. As I recover, learn, and grow from this experience, may I always take the time to reach out to others with a tenderness and compassion that I so long for at this time.